Hello YouTube world, Mac Daddy 1911A1 here with the Shade Tree Survivalists. Uncle Fester bought an American Tactical Imports Titan 3-inch officer's model 1911, made in the Philippines in 45 ACP. He said last week he shot it some and it had a lot, well, every single round out of 3 magazines it failed to extract. It fed perfect. It fired, he said it was accurate, but it had problems extracting and ejecting the cartridge. And more than likely all it is the extractor. I got the extractor tool in the mail this week from Brownells. And I'm gonna shoot it, 1 mag full, 230 grain ball ammo, and we'll see how well it does. If indeed that's the problem, we'll go from there. Fit and finish is really nice on this thing, other than what he said about the extractor. He said you could hand cycle it and it would extract and eject, but it wouldn't do in live fire. So without further ado, these are some hand loads, so let's hope everything goes fine. All right, you can see it did not pull that out. And so now we have a hard jam. Same exact thing happened. Oh, that ain't gonna work. Turned it upside down and backwards. Feeds fine, shoots good. Same exact thing. So that's what we're dealing with. It'll take a while to kill a man like this. That damn long trigger, exact same thing happened. So that's what this video series we're about to do is all about, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to show you how to tension this extractor. Hey, I think it fed that time. Failure to extract, and of course eject. Slide lock open, that's the last of it. So we're not going to fart around with it anymore. We will roll this into the series on extractor tensioning. Alright, Fester. It doesn't fit perfectly my serpent, but I got your little pistol, the extractor tuned up, and of course the battery's gonna go dead, but before it does, let's see if it'll fire, extract and feed. Damn it! Take 2, I think the battery died. The second to the last one that failed to extract, but all the others were flawless. Let's just hope that was a hiccup. These are reloads. So let's see, it's pretty damn getting dark. That's because I love you, bro. She's working like a damn champ. It needs to be broke in. I'll do some more work before I'm done with it, but I think you got your damn good little gun here, buddy. Oh, happy birthday, bro.